Imagine bread that's twice baked to crispy perfection, coated with buttery sugar, making each bite a delight. Today, we are introducing the Japanese version of India's beloved tea time snack, the rusk. Today, I will show you how to make Japanese rusk.
Japanese rusks, unlike their Indian counterparts, have a unique method of preparation. The bread dough contains minimal sugar, typically 3% or less. This is because historically surplus baguettes were used to make rusks in Japan. But in recent years, Japanese rusks have evolved. From premium butter to chocolate coatings, the options are endless. Set the mixture bowl and combine flour, Kobo compressed fresh yeast, Rebaking rusk improver, salt, sugar, water and either butter, margarine or shortening. Mix the bread dough, ensuring it reaches full development, similar to the process followed for typical breads and rolls. It's crucial to keep the dough temperature between 27 to 30 degrees Celsius. Now, after mixing, we shape the dough. It is typically rolled into a baguette shape, but it can also be molded like an Indian rusk or a sandwich mold. After the dough is shaped, let it rise until it fills about 90% of the mold before baking. Preheat the oven to 200 to 220 degrees Celsius and bake the dough for 15 to 20 minutes. Once it is cooled down, use the rusk cutter to slice into 1 to 1.5 cm pieces. Now brush melted butter over the slices and coat them with powdered sugar. Bake again at 150 to 160 degrees Celsius for another 15 to 20 minutes. As sweet as an Indian rusk due to the sugar topping, a Japanese rusk made with low sugar dough bread is light, crispy and ready to be savored.
Very nice.